Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the review, I just have to make a quick announcement about my products on Warrior Plus. As you can see here, it says check out all of my Warrior Plus products. So we'll talk about that in a moment. And then we have some bonuses for you. So if you want to know what these bonuses are and how you can get them, then make sure you watch the video till the end. Obviously, when you go and buy the copy from my link below, you will get these bonuses. But what are they exactly and how to get them, you will find the information in the end, and we'll also discuss the way to make money for long term using my method. So make sure you watch the video till the end. And coming back to the video now, so below there it says check out all of my Warrior Plus products. I want you to click there, and then you will see some launches I have done. So these three are software, one is PLR, but these three are very cool software which will help you if you're a marketeer or individual or whosoever you are. This will definitely help you because the first one is very cool. It generates helps you generates images. So let me show you Drishyam AI. Okay, so if you click here, right click and then click on open link, that's the page. Okay, so it says create stunning AI visuals in seconds, and then you can go and watch this demo video, and then there are sample images which I can show you. So you can generate graphics like these using this Drishyam AI. So go and check out this. This will surely help you if you want to generate some cool thumbnails or some ebook covers or whatever. Okay, so go and check out this in your free time. Go and watch the demo. Drishyam AI is a very fantastic software for generating images you will never see anywhere else. Okay, go and check that how that works. Then we have Launch to Profit AI. Right click here and then click on open in new link, and then you have to go and watch this demo video again. This helps you to create all the campaigns. Okay, all affiliate campaigns you can think of, email copy, review articles, scripts, this and that. It's totally going to generate unlimited content for you all in a one-time thing. So go and check out this Launch to Profit AI, and if you want to generate some images, visuals, check out Drishyam AI. Similarly, check out this Review to Profit AI. So go and check out these things in your free time and watch the video till the end. Let's start the review now. All right, guys, let's do this diet and wellness royalties bot review. So let's get to the sales page. And how do you come to the sales page? For that, you have to go below my YouTube video, and it should be saying grab diet and wellness royalties bot copy here. Click on that link and then you will come to the sales page. For now, the links are pending, as you can see. So if they will be approved, then you will find the link below the video, which you can click on and come to the sales page where it says every year 50 million people type how to lose weight into Amazon. Who is selling them the answer? Not you, not yet, health and blah. Okay, so I think it's all about publishing books related to how to lose weight on Amazon, but how to do that, right? So they're going to give you a custom GPT, I guess, inside chat GPT. So let's see. So it says their bot, the GPT, custom GPT, will write the authority of a practitioner and the warmth of a trusted coach. And you will be getting 7 proven wellness subniches, 3 formats real world, the voice that health readers actually trust. So go and check out everything and let me see if we have any question answers. So what do you get in this? You get health specific writing, yes. You get 7 wellness sub niches, yes. Chapter word count minimums, hard minimums enforced. So that's the launch coming in 39 minutes. And this is the complete access. Okay, so what you will be getting is all of this, the diet and wellness royalties bot custom GPT I told you. So what happens? Custom GPT means it's like something in so not something, but I know what it is. It's a separate bot which people can install in that different categories inside ChatGPT. So it's not owned by ChatGPT, but the platform is ChatGPT, where you can launch your own custom GPT as well. So they have launched their own custom GPT, okay, which will give you permanent access to the complete bot engineered for deep authoritative action oriented this and that. So 7 wellness subniches you will get, 3 publishing formats, 7,000 words, protocol 13,000 words, complete KDP publishing package, 7 buyer intent Amazon terms of service. So technically all you are being asked to do is get this course or custom GPT with training, and you can start publishing your content, your books on Amazon KDP related to health and wellness. and that is how you're supposed to make some royalties or make some money. Okay, so if you are interested into this category of publishing books on Amazon, then this product might be for you. So do I need a chat GPT? Of course you do I need nutrition background? You don't. Will the writing sound credible too? Yes, it will. How long does it take to produce a complete book? Full guide, format 8 chapters, blah blah, at your workplace, review each chapter. So it depends how fast or slow or medium you want to work. So it depends on your speed. Is this a subscription? No, it's a one-time cost. Can I publish the books currently commercially on Amazon KDP? Yes, you can. What makes this different from other royalties bots? Every bot in the series is purpose built, so different bots are customized for doing specific things. So this one is especially for health and wellness only. Okay, that's all about it. So if you are interested in publishing something about health and fitness on Amazon and sell it and make money, then this could be a program for you. Go and grab it from my link below. If my links will be approved, you will find the link below and you will also get the bonuses. And also we have the OTOs right here. So this says starting with 13.72. So as soon the launch starts, make sure you go and grab it, because then price might increase. Okay, who knows. So this shows 24.95, but I think it is going to be 17.88 right now. Okay, so it will be costing you around 17.88, and then we have some OTO one, which is extra 100 prompts for $27, then extra 200 prompts for 37, and then 380, and this is annual membership, and then you have something monthly reoccurring 38 per month. So you can pick and choose here. You can get all the OTOs you need, or you can leave which ones you don't. Okay, so go and grab this health and fitness diet product to custom GPT if you want. And also below my video you can check out my Warrior Plus products, and also make sure if you want awesome visuals, then you go and check out Drishyam AI and create visuals like these, as you can see. And you can check that in my Warrior Plus product list. Now watch the video till the end if you want to know how to make money online. Alright guys, now we are done with the review, and let's talk about some serious stuff, how you can make real money online. So if you go below my video again and click on more and check out these links. So I have like 2-3 methods which I personally use in my online life to make money on the internet. So I have mastered Forex trading. So it says swing like a pro. You click on that link and then you enter your name and email, and then you will come to this page. This is Forex trading. Okay, so when you come to this page, you can watch these videos. These are short videos, 2-3 minutes long each video. Okay, you can go and watch it to know exactly what's my knowledge and should you go and join this program or not. Okay, this is not for everybody. It is only for people who have the money. Okay, it's an investment thing. You know, Forex trading or any kind of trading is about investment. Okay, you have to have the money. Okay, so right from the beginning, this option trading, Forex trading, is not for those people who are broke, who are living on paycheck to paycheck, who are living on a budget. You don't have flexibility with the funds. It's not for you. So chill. Okay, it's not for you. No headaches, right? It's only for people who have the money. They can join my program and they can work with me. More details you can find when you click on this link, right? Second option is make money on YouTube, which everybody can do if you can talk. You know, you don't even have to come on the camera if you don't want to. So if you click on this make money on YouTube link, you will have to just enter your name and email, and you can also watch this video, the testimonial. Okay, the testimonial is all about how to make money on YouTube and how you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel just within 2-3 weeks, and get your YouTube channel monetized within a month. Okay, so go and enter your name and everything and check out the testimonial here. After that, you will come to this page. Okay, so YouTube gives you multiple sources of income. You know, if your YouTube channel is monetized, you can make money with ad revenue, as you can see. So when you see these ads in my YouTube video, I get paid little bit of money, not much, but it, you know, something is better than nothing. Okay, so this much money which you see on the screen, I made only by making these videos for free. You know, you watch ads, people watch ads, and I made this kind of money. Okay, and then obviously you can watch more testimonials, and you can see, you can sell anything in your YouTube video. You can sell your services, whatever. Okay, so this is it. And this screenshot which you see here, this is about the email marketing. I'm gonna talk about that in a moment. Okay, so go and check out all these things. YouTube is for people who want to work manually. Okay, I do everything. I do email marketing, YouTube, trading, this and that. I do everything. Okay, but you have to maybe choose one to start in the beginning, because you know, it depends what your expertise is. Okay, if you have the money and you're willing to invest, then you can join my Forex trading program. If you are interested in making money on YouTube, then go and click this make money on YouTube and join Traffic Jarvis. Get the knowledge first, okay? And get your YouTube channel monetized just within a month. And then it says get 100 email leads per day. Okay, so this system will give you 100 email leads per day, and you will also, you also get the software, the system inbuilt from where you can send email to these 100 leads once every single day. Okay, so 100 leads per day, and you can email them once in 24 hours, and you can sell them any offer of your choice, including the system itself. Okay. So I have attached the screenshot here. So you can see I made this kind of money. How much I made? Actually more. This screenshot is quite old, so I have made more than this. It's an old screenshot, okay? But you can see this is a recurring commission. So if you want to promote the system itself, you will get commissions every month, and you will not become rich, but you have to just work and build your commissions, okay? So anyways, I think let's and if you want to talk to me, so for example, you want to talk to me one to one, you're not sure what is suitable for you, you should do trading, you should do YouTube, you should do email marketing, or you're confused, you just want to speak with me. If you want to have if you want to consult with me one to one, you can click on this link right here, and you can book your consultation call in at $97 for 40 minutes. As you can see here, all you have to do is click on this button, make the payment, and then simply drop me an email with your timing. Okay, so you can drop me an email after the payment and tell me that when do you want to speak with me, or if you have any questions, you can email me even before the payment. Okay, so let's talk about the bonuses here. So you will get free lifetime email autoresponder if you go and buy from my link below. So you will get the bonuses so that you can do email marketing and get this email responder so that you can do it for free. Okay. And Kiss Jacking is a 2 hours YouTube training program. If I show you, it's a YouTube video training program which I am giving you for free for 2 hours, as you can see, in which you will learn exactly how to do what I'm doing or others are doing right now, meaning how to make these review videos and make sales and get commissions. Okay. And last thing is Forex Profit Machine. So in case you have no idea what trading is all about, which I was showing you earlier, if you don't know what this trading is, then I'm giving you 11,000 words PDF book for this forex trading for beginners. Okay, so you will get these 3 bonuses if you go and buy this software for whatever we have done the review. If you go and buy from a link below, you will get these 3 bonuses. And if you have any questions, you can always email this to me. Okay, so let's do a quick recap, I guess. So you have few ways to make money on the internet. You can either try trading, or go and get Traffic Jarvis, make money on YouTube, or get 100 leads per day, or book consultation with me. And you can get cash checking if you want to, or just do whatever you like. Okay, so subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. Till then, take care.